Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to move page number down in Word. Open your Word document to see the current numbering. After this, double-click on the page number. Then in the menu, header and footer, adjust the movement in the field, footer from bottom. When you change the size, you will see how the page number moves. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.